Welcome to CJ Forest Global Online Academy. On today's analysis, we are going to be covering analysis from the 16th of January 2023 to 20th of January 2023. But before we go on, let me explain what CJ Forest is all about. CJ Forest is a training institution. We are not broker, but we recommend brokers. Like if you look at here, these are recommended brokers from CJ Forest. Once you click on it, it will direct you to the brokers that CJ Forest recommended. Okay, so now the main purpose of CJ Forest is to train people that have been in the forest and they are not doing very well. So we train them, whether you are a beginner, maybe you just saw forest, you got interested and you don't know how to go about it. With our company, CJ Forest, you are able to do that. Everything is already set. All you have to do is just to enroll or subscribe. So on this place, here in the dashboard, these are the academy, okay? So if you are a beginner, you have not traded before, you start from basic, but if you're an old trader, start from intermediate. After you must have finished intermediate, you go to advanced. After advanced, you go to pro. That's it. But the more you make money, like now, if you enroll into intermediate, by the time you finish and you use it to make money, you go to advance and enroll. That's how you keep pushing yourself until you become a master in your trading. Don't forget, we don't only train in CJ Forest. We also offer other services that enable clients to earn while they are learning. So we also sell robots. We have three types of robots, which is our robots. We have smart cash robot, we have blue cash robot, we have master spring robot. Okay, then on their cash flow strategy, we have cash flow strategy. You can use it to trade. If you want to get it, you subscribe for it and get cash flow strategy. You can make up almost to 15% every day, depending on how good you have understand how the cash flow strategy work. So we also sell price alert indicator. On this one, this is price alert indicator. We sell price alert. It helps you to gives you alert to trade. It tells you when to buy, when to trade, and when to where to put your stop loss. It's very accurate, 99% accurate. We also offer account management. On our account management, we manage clients' account, and in turn, the client earn 10%. Sorry, the client earn 90% of the profit, he give us 10%. So, but before you can be part of our account management, you must pay your membership registration fee, which is $500, and then fund your trading account, and our account managers will be assigned to manage your account. We also provide signals on different assets, paid signal. Once maybe you need a paid channel that will give you accurate signal, subscribe to our VPS and get all the signals that you need. You put on currency, on crypto, on synthetic, like V75, Boom Crash, on all the assets of your choice. We post it every day on our page signal. So let us go to our analysis for the week. Okay, welcome. We are going to be doing analysis on few assets. Let's start with DSY. Many of you know what DSY is all about. DSY is an asset that we use to weigh the strength of US dollar. If US dollar is rising, it means that DSY will be going up. If US dollar is falling, DSY. So we use DSY to weigh the strength of dollar. So as of last week, you saw that the last 2 weeks there was a sell, and this past week there was a catalyst, or we can call it indecision candle, that was formed there. So the bulls and the bears were struggling through our last week. So we are expecting this new week to show us a sign of a sell, but we are expecting a sell this new week. Okay, this new week we are going to be expecting, like, look at last week candle, weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is it. Okay, on this weekly time frame, if you look very well, you see that last week was very bearish. Okay, and it also closed inside the support level. So we should be expecting this new week to make a little bit pullback and start coming down. So that means that at the early week of this week, we are entering from the 16th of January 2023 to 20th of January 2020. We should be expecting a rise in US dollar, a little bit rise, okay? If you go to daily time frame, there will be a little bit rise before it will end up selling. So this week we should be expecting a general move, which is sell. So if you know this idea, you should know that US dollar is going to sell this coming week we are entering. Although the sell might not take long, but the buy might not take long before the sell will take over. But what we are saying is that US dollar is going to be weak again this coming week. So let us look at Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, if you look at last week, what actually happened to last week? Last week made a bullish move and closed above, but it was not rejected by any resistance or support. Look at last week, it was never rejected by any resistance or support. So this new week, we are expecting Euro to make a bullish move, but it will first of all go down a little bit before going up to the next resistance level. So if you're a student of CJ Forex, there are parameters that will need to be understood before you can consider buying or selling in the market. And on this asset, you have to wait for those setups to be completed. That's why you need to know this market. If you don't understand this market, you probably keep losing. So enroll into CJ Forex Online Academy to help you navigate the forex market. A time might come, you might not be seeing us doing this analysis and you start jumping from one group to another. So find your way and enroll into CJ Forex Global Online Academy. Then let us look at on GBP USD. You know, last week, let's look at what actually happened last week. Last week, there was a very strong bullish candle that was formed. That's mean the bulls were really in charge, which means that the British pounds were strong against US dollar and made a long bullish candle. So let us look at what this coming week is going to look like. On this week, we are expecting the market to pull back before going up. So, but this coming week, we are expecting the market to continue buying to the continue it buy. Okay, so if you are looking for opportunity, look for opportunity to buy on GBP USD. Then on Euro USD, there was a slight rejection at a support level. Okay, so we should be expecting a bullish move this new week. This week, again, we are going to be expecting Euro USD to be bullish. Remember, on our DXY, we said that DXY dollar index is going to be weak again. That means that since dollar is going to be weak, any pair it is paired with, whether be it put or base currency, is going to be rising against US dollar or falling against US dollar. So expect a buy move on Euro USD. Remember, if you enroll into CJ Forex Global or get our cash flow strategy or get price entry and alert indicator or get into our account money, it will make this FX business so easy and so fun. So find your way. The most important thing is to enroll into the academy before any other thing. Okay, on this, let's look at Australian USD. Australian USD is going to make a bullish move because US dollar is weak and is weak against Australia. So since US dollar is weak, Australian is going to be bullish this coming week. Let us look at what happened last week. If you look vividly what happened last week, you see that last week was very, very bullish, and that it connotes that this new week is going to be bullish, increasing in momentum. So we should be expecting a slight retracement either to this level or to this level before the market will end up being bullish. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you know the parameters that need to be set up and what are the needs for you to before you can consider buying in this market. Let us look at crude. On crude, we should be looking out for a buy opportunity. Last week, buy fiercely even penetrated into the resistance level, and we are expecting the market to be buying this new week, but there are certain parameters and setup that need to be met before you can consider. So looking at this market, the market is going to fall before it starts going up, but the general market overview for this week is a buy. Now, let us look out for US CAD. On US CAD, the same scenario. Since US dollar is weak, we should be expecting US dollar or US CAD. That's this US CAD is going to be selling, not buying. So we should be expecting a sell. But at the initial stage, the market is going to make a bullish move. Look at it. This is what we should be looking at. Like this, the market is going to make a bullish move, touch this place before it will fall down. When falling down, it will fall down to this level. Okay, it will first of all here be your first take profit. The next place you target your take profit is here. So US CAD is going to make a bullish, a bearish move, not because US dollar is weak. Okay, so CAD is going to drag it down. If you look at what happened last week, you see that last week was very, very bearish, but got rejected at a bullish support level. But the rejection of last week is what I am considering that this market is going to still go up, and maybe it's going to be going up to this level and then fall down. It might not get to this point, but we expect this market to fall down. And when it fall down, it will fall down to make to this level. Okay, so look out for a sell opportunity on US CAD. Okay, let's also look at GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, the market is fiercely looking out for a sell, because last week was sold very well and was never rejected by a flat or other block. Let's look at what happened on the monthly. The market is still going. Okay, the market is sitting on the monthly buy support. Okay, so let's say this month we are entering, we should be looking out for a buy opportunity. So on here in here, what we should be looking out for is a buy opportunity. So either the market is going to going to fall down like this. Okay, going to come down to this point and then come down a little bit, okay, like this, and then start going up, because it is already on a monthly flat, so it should be expecting a turn up to this level. So let's see what this month that means. British JPY is going to be buying this week. We are looking at, so this week we should be looking out for a buy opportunity on British pound. So on gold, we should be looking out for a buy opportunity. Last week was very bullish, and we expect this new week to be bullish, okay, to reduce the momentum of this. So look for opportunity to buy on gold. On S&P 500, similar thing. On S&P 500, last week was very bullish, and we expect this new week to make the similar bull, but it will first of all fall before start buying. Then on NASDAQ, we expect a bullish move this coming week, because last week also was bullish, and we expect the market to be bullish, but it will first of all fall before it starts moving in a bullish direction. Let us look out for synthetic. We are going to be focusing only on V75, assets. So let's see what V75 is going to be. We have other assets. If you want to learn more on how to analyze the market, enroll into CJ Forex Global. So let's focus on V75. If you look vividly on V75, there is a resistance here. The market is rejected. It was rejected last week here. So we should be expecting the market to make a little bit move up from here. It will go a little bit up to this level, okay, and when it goes up to this level, it will then fall again back to this level, back to the low. So if you are using daily to look at it clearer, you will see that the market is heading to this resistance level. So where we are expecting before it will fall down to this place. So this week we should be expecting a sell on the V75 asset. Don't forget to enroll into CJ Forex Global Online Academy. It will help you to become a perfect trader. Many of you have been a losing trader for many years and you want to improve in your trading skill. Here we believe in practical and reality. We don't want to tell you story, or no, we want you to know the market and become a smart analyst. Okay, thank you once again. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. I hope you make the right decision. Thank you and have a nice day.